Here's a quick video if you need to take the center console apart on a Dodge Ram. Could be 5,500, 1,500, 2,500. They're pretty much all the same. The radio on the inside changed, but that's about it. Yeah, so here's how you take it apart if you have to have access to the radio or the controls or the switches at the bottom here. So at the top you just have a piece of rubber. You just take this out. You might need a little screwdriver. And then in here you have two screws. They're torque screws, T15. Take those out. Then you can use a screwdriver or something. There's like 3 little clips in here. And this just, after you get the 3 clips off, you just move it up and then pull out. So, and then now, that's the only screws that hold all this together. Don't try to take the center piece off by himself, because this is screw in by the inside to the rest of the panel. So you have to take the panel off right here, or you have those 2 different plastic here. So you can use a screwdriver. I use this set of plastic tool here because it doesn't damage any of your plastics. So now I get this off on this side. Do the same thing on the other side. Now it's all loose with this. So just grab the bottom. You might have to open your tray here. Just pull this and go underneath this here. So close the tray back down and that drops underneath. Now you can open it. You have access to all your fuses and everything you need to. And so those are just the little clips on the inside here. 3 clips on each side. 2 at the top, and then 3 on the other side too. And there's also 2 clips at the bottom. Now to put it back together, put it underneath the arm. Doing this with one end, so it's not pretty, but it's gonna work. Now you just push it to clip it. Push it to clip it. Put this back in. Those little clip at the top, they're a little bit tricky to put back in. Have to re-push them. Okay, so that's it. You put your 2 screws back in the top. T15 torque again. And the plastic just sits in a little rubber piece. That's it. Let's put it back together.